Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save snapshots in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got my document here with a couple of different objects inside of it. So basically, if I want to go ahead and save this as a snapshot, I can. So to do this, I want to go in and click on the document and click on to add snapshot, and then we can enter a name for the snapshot or we can just leave it with the timestamp with the date. So I'm just going to leave it like that for this demonstration. Now, say for example, if I want to go ahead and add more of these objects into here, I can go ahead and do that. So add more. But say if I make a mistake, what I can do, I'm just going to add some more in here. I can go back here, click onto document, and then we've got the option to restore snapshot. So click onto the timestamp. There it is there. So it's going to restore that snapshot. So if you're working on your document or project, you make mistakes, it's a great way to roll back time instead of starting all over again.